In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple maze game. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a very simple ball. I'm going to make it black. So now when green flag clicked, forever, get for if thens. So if key up arrow, if key down arrow is pressed, key right arrow, and key left arrow. So now when key right arrow pressed, we want it to point in the direction of 90, move 10 steps. Left arrow, we want it to be minus 90, and then move 10 steps. For down arrow, we want to point in the direction of 180. Up arrow, minus 180. So let's try it. Oops, wait, sorry. Yeah, minus 180. Like this. Wait, I'm sorry, it's 0, not minus 180. There's no minus 180. So now let's make it a bit smaller, maybe 75? No, 50. So let's paint a new sprite. I'm gonna just make a simple maze now. So now I'm also need to create the endpoint. You can make it any color you want. Just gonna make mine green for now, like that. So now go to your sprite. So forever, grab another if statement. If touching color, and then do it for the walls. Then we want to move minus 10 steps. And this we should position it in the middle. Now we want to create a new variable. Let's call it level. So we want to set level to 1. Now, oops, sorry. Duplicate this. Now do it for the color of your portal. Then we want to change level by 1. And then we want to broadcast new level. So now when I receive new level, we want it to go right over here. So like that. Now let's try it. So now as you see, you can't touch the walls, the black walls. And when you go to touch the green, then you go to a new level, or maybe not a new level yet, since we need to create more levels. And I'm just gonna create some more levels. I'm just going super quick with the levels. You can create it, you can make it more detailed. So when green flag clicked, forever, we want to switch costume to level. Now go to sprite. Go to the ground level. Just go to the one where there's lava, and how you can make it so it's you die. So you can just make it so when you're touching the color red, then you can just broadcast new level. So let's try it. Great, wait. Now I'm just gonna create a few more, actually, just to make it a bit harder. Wait, sorry. So now, on the last costume, wait, you want to delete everything, and then I'm just gonna type here, you win. Wait, sorry. Win. Now you can change it to any color you want. Just gonna do red for now. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna make it black. Let's make it a little bigger now. So now let's try. Wait, also one thing that I forgot to do. When green flag clicked, you also want to go to the starting position. Let's try it now. So now it should work. Now it works. Now also, I'm also gonna make it so when you touch the lava, I'm gonna broadcast a new message called lose. So I'm just going to duplicate this, and instead of you win, I'm gonna write you lose and no exclamation mark. Actually, I'm gonna make that maybe no. Never mind. So in this one, when I receive lose, then we want to switch costume to costume 8. Then we want to stop all. Let's try it. Yay, it works. Remember to save it, name it, and that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!